Okay, a Fusion user, you know this serious pain point. In the sense that you want to add multiple nodes to your node graph that aren't really present in the top section in your Fusion graph. Normally what you just do is to hit shift space, type the name of the node that you want, and click on enter, and then it comes to your node graph. But if you want to do it multiple times, normally it's best for you to have a hotkey that you can just type or just add the node to your node graph. There is a way to do this in Fusion, but my script is actually a more profound solution than what is in Fusion. So in Fusion, if you want a key binding to a particular node, what you normally just do is to click on Control Shift Space, look for the hotkey option. So that's the customize hotkeys option. And normally when that happens, you just go to the views section, you go to flow, and then you go to the new section, and you go to the tools section, look for the node that you want to actually assign the key map to. In this case, it is the transform node. Then you assign it to maybe a letter like T or something like that. But most of the time, some of your shortcuts conflict with the default shortcuts in Fusion and things don't really work right. So let me just create this hotkey. So T and then okay. So now right now when I press T, you're having a basic computer, not really fast. So when I press T now, it adds a transform node. When I press T, it adds the transform node multiple times. This approach works. It works, but it doesn't also work. Let me show you why. Let's say I want to customize my hotkey to actually be a sequence of characters. Maybe I want it to be 3DT. It only supports one character hotkey at a time, and with the amount of nodes in Fusion, which is over 200, and the keys on your keyboard usually being less than that, my script actually solves that solution in the sense that there are shortcodes that are assigned to the nodes. So let me show you here. So in VS Code, I'm over here, and there is a Fusion nodes.json file whereby there are shortcodes or key maps or hotkeys assigned to node. And when I enter those hotkeys into Fusion, it automatically adds those nodes to the node graph. And this script is a PyAutoGrade script, a Python script. So in this case, if you want to run the script, it's quite straightforward. You have to run python main.py. So when you do that, this logs will come. It works with both Fusion Studio and DaVinci Resolve. So if I go back to Resolve and I want to add a background node, I just type the shortcode that is in the JSON BG, and then it adds the background node to my Fusion composition. If I want to add a text node, it adds it. So let's say I want to add a text node, it will add the text node to the composition. This is what this script really does. You have more control, and it's cross-platform, of course. If this script will really help you in your workflow, please check the link. It's in the description. It will send you to my GitHub page, and you basically download the package and then extract it. Or if you're a developer, you just clone the repository and you basically run python main.py. Instructions to install the dependencies are also in the readme file on the dependencies that you have to install. But apart from that, you should be fine. You can support me financially. Also, that link to support me is also in the description to lead you somewhere where you can actually support me financially. And yeah, that's what I really want to see. But just for a flex, not really a flex, I use Arch Linux, and at the same time too, I'm actually running DaVinci Resolve on an integrated GPU. So if I go to preferences right now, it is showing that, well, it is an integrated GPU. So if you're on Linux and you want to run DaVinci Resolve on an integrated GPU and you want me to make a video about how to do that, just notify me in the comment section too. So see you guys in the next video. Have a good time. Bye.